This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and today I'll be showing you how to disable your startup and background programs in Windows 11. Open your settings. In the left panel, select Apps, then go down to Startup. And now you have access to anything that's enabled or disabled when your computer boots up. Look for the app, and then you can toggle from on to off. And you're all done. To disable background programs, we want to go back to Settings, select Apps. To the right of each application, there'll be the three-dot menu. You want to click Advanced Options. And you'll see a drop-down menu below the Background Apps Permissions. Once you click Never, the app will no longer run in the background. And you can do this for whatever applications you'd like. Both of these processes should speed up startup speed and free up some resources. Thank you for watching. Any questions or concerns, you can leave below. Thank you.
Please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so we can notify you of our newest videos coming out.